Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll discuss the concept of genius foods and how they can help you become brighter, happier, and more productive while protecting your brain for life. Our brain health is crucial for our overall well-being, and what we eat can significantly optimize our cognitive function. So, let's dive in and discover the power of genius foods. Genius foods contain nutrients supporting brain function and protecting against cognitive decline. These include fatty fish, blueberries, leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains. These foods are rich in nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins, which have been linked to improved cognitive function and reduced risk of dementia. In addition to these genius foods, there are also lifestyle habits that can support brain function and protect against cognitive decline. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management can improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia. By incorporating these genius foods and lifestyle habits into your daily routine, you can become brighter, happier, and more productive while protecting your brain for life. Remember, taking care of your brain health is essential for overall well-being, and it's never too early or too late to start. That's all for today's video on genius foods and how they can help you become a genius in your own right. We hope you found this information helpful in optimizing your brain health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.